Hey teacher friends, I don't know if you've noticed, but Adobe has started charging for their poster feature, which is really unfortunate because I love to make posters and anchor charts big for my classroom. I wasn't about to pay for something that I knew I could DIY for free. So I went digging for all of us for a better way to make classroom posters. And when I figured out how to do it right inside of Canva, I knew I had to share because let's be honest, Canva has basically become every teacher's happy place. Not only can you easily design in there, but it's also free for educators. Okay, so step one is that we are going to create our poster or image that we want inside of Canva, or if you have one made somewhere else, or one that you purchased, you can just upload it like I'm about to do. You can upload your PDF or your image file right into Canva. Once you have it in there, we are going to click Apps on the left-hand side. Step 3 is that we are going to search for Image Splitter. Step 4, once the tool opens, you're going to choose how many pages you want your poster to be. I'm going with 3 pages wide by 3 pages tall. Okay, we are going to click Add Images to New Pages. I love this feature because it makes each image the same size. It takes less time and guesswork for you because it just sticks it in. It sticks every image on its own page. When everything looks good, we're going to click Download and choose PDF Print. Then we're going to open our downloaded PDF and print it on regular printer paper. Step 9 is that we're going to trim the edges, glue it or tape it together. Here you can see that I'm gluing mine together. I love glue. It especially wet glue, you can kind of smush it and move it around till it's just right. Step 10 is that we are going to hang it up. And just like that, you've got a large, high quality poster printed at home or work without paying for any premium tools. If you liked this hack, you're gonna love this video where I'm sharing 10 Canva hacks for teachers to make your day go so much easier. And you can click and watch that video down below, right over here. All right, guys, see you next time.